Welcome to Aware Consumer. Today, we're diving into the world of air fryers, specifically the best air fryers of 2024. Air fryers have become an essential kitchen gadget for many, offering a healthier way to enjoy your favorite fried foods. Whether you're looking for top-of-the-line performance, budget-friendly options, or something in between, we've got you covered. Before we get started, I want to thank all our viewers for their support. We're on a mission to reach 1,000 subscribers, and your subscription would mean the world to us. So, if you enjoy this video, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's jump right in and find the perfect air fryer for your kitchen. Best overall, Instant Vortex Plus 6QT Air Fryer. The Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer with Clear Cook and Odor Erase stands out as the top-performing air fryer from the brand known for the iconic Instant Pot. This model consistently delivered the crispiest fries and chicken wings among all the air fryers we tested. The fries had a perfect balance of crisp exteriors and soft, fluffy insides, while the chicken was moist with a crispy, flavorful skin. Building on its predecessor, the Instant Vortex Plus, this updated version features a plastic window in the basket and a built-in light, allowing you to monitor your food as it cooks. Additionally, it includes a built-in filter to reduce odors. However, the Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 air fryer does not come with any cooking guides, requiring users to experiment with cooking durations and temperatures, especially for frozen foods. We also noticed that the crisper plate can fall out if the basket is tipped too much when removing food, and the display tends to show fingerprint marks. Despite these minor issues, we consider this model to be the best air fryer available for most people right now. Best budget, Cosori Pro LE Air Fryer. If you want a budget-friendly air fryer that's as stylish as it is effective, then the Cosori Pro LE Air Fryer L501 is worth considering. Unlike any of the air fryers we've tested previously, the LED and touch control panel is located on the glossy top of this kitchen gadget, creating a streamlined look. On test, we found the air fryer produced crisp, crunchy fries with soft, fluffy inside and succulent, juicy chicken wings. However, it struggled to evenly brown foods, so we found ourselves tweaking cooking times, and it wasn't effective when cooking frozen foods either. It has 7 presets for dishes such as bacon, seafood, and cake. It also has a reminder to shake, which can be activated when setting the cooking time that will alert you halfway through cooking, so you can turn the food to achieve an even crisp. Best Premium, Dreo Chefmaker. The Dreo Chefmaker is so impressive with its cooking prowess and its ability to deliver moist on the inside and crispy on the outside results. That's due to the fact that this air fryer is able to cook more precisely than many others. While it's missing a lot of the usual presets, at least without app support, it offers Chef Mode, Classic Cook, and Probe Cook so that you can either fine-tune the cooking experience, set it and forget it, or have the Chefmaker cook your food until its internal temperature is right where you want it, thanks to a nifty probe aka food thermometer that's included in the box. The transparent glass basket is also a nice addition, as you can keep visual tabs on your food without pulling the basket out. We also appreciate the fact that the components are dishwasher safe. And though water atomization and superconvection seem like buzzwords that Dreo applies here, make no mistake, this is a powerful, if pricey, air fryer. Best Outdoor, Ninja Woodfire. Though it's still electric, the Ninja Woodfire outdoor grill is designed for outdoor use, making it a fantastic addition to your backyard or garden, and just the perfect cooking appliance to see you through your summer barbecues and backyard parties. It's primarily a grill and a smoker, but it comes with a few additional cooking functions that give you a bigger bang for your buck. It can also air fry, bake, and roast. Even if you haven't used an electric grill or smoker before, you won't have a hard time using this one. On test, we found it incredibly easy to use, thanks in large part to its clever self-igniting Woodfire smoke box that utilizes wood pellets to give your food that smoky flavors that traditional wood or charcoal grills deliver. And it does so without a flame and with very minimal mess. If you hate the cleanup after grilling, this might be a better option for you. Just bear in mind that the accessories here aren't dishwasher safe, so you still have some cleaning to do. As far as its air frying function, it works well too. It comes with a 2.5-quart basket that gives you enough room to cook around 3 libras of fries, every single piece of which came out crispy and fluffy during our testing. Best Dual Basket, Instant Vortex Plus. Known as the Instant Vortex Plus Dual Drawer Air Fryer in the UK, the Instant Vortex Plus Dual Air Fryer has a lot going for it. Not only will it let you check in on your food without pulling the basket out, thanks to its basket windows and cooking chamber light, but it will also let you cook 2 different dishes at the same time, thanks to its dual basket design and dual cooking functionality that also has the capability to sync finish times. When it comes to its air frying performance, we have no complaints. It delivered crispy and evenly browned results during our tests, whether we were cooking fries or chicken wings. And because it can cook 2 different dishes at once, we have found that it saves us a bit of time and effort. Just bear in mind that while it does have a bigger capacity overall, each basket does have a smaller capacity. It also doesn't come with cooking charts, which means you may have to do some trial and error to get the cooking times and temperatures just right. And that wraps up our review of the best air fryers of 2024. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect air fryer to suit your cooking needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Aware Consumer for more reviews and recommendations. Also, hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.